In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you're aiming to save time and keep your messages consistent and professional, templates are a simple, reliable way to streamline your email routine. Let's dive right in. We'll start by creating your first template. Open Outlook and begin with a fresh message by clicking New Email from your inbox. With that blank email on screen, look to the top menu and select Apps. From the drop-down, choose My Templates. This opens the area where you'll manage everything related to your templates. Inside My Templates, click the plus template option to create a new one from scratch. Give your template a clear descriptive name so it's easy to spot later, something that reflects its purpose, like a follow-up, a thank you, or a status update. Next, type the content you want to reuse. Include your standard greeting, the main body text, and your usual sign-off. Keep it concise but flexible enough to customize quickly. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Your template is now stored and ready whenever you need it. Now let's use that template in a real message. Open a new email or open a reply if you're responding to someone and want to use a template there. Once your message window is up, head back to the Apps menu at the top and select My Templates again. You'll see the list of templates you've created, including the one we just made. Click the template you want, and Outlook will automatically insert the saved content into your email. The text and formatting you set up earlier drop right in, which means no retyping and fewer chances for mistakes. Before you send, take a moment to personalize the message. Update details like names, dates, or any specifics that make the email relevant to your recipient. This quick review ensures your template keeps its professional polish without sounding generic. You can edit anything directly in the message window, and nothing you change there will overwrite the saved template itself. Once everything looks good, click Send. That's all there is to it. You've created a reusable template and used it to compose a polished email in a fraction of the usual time. Using templates this way adds speed, consistency, and confidence to your communication. Give it a try the next time you find yourself typing the same message more than once. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips and tutorials.